Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your Squarespace customers and store data directly with your Mailchimp account, making email marketing campaigns much more streamlined and effective. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button and click it. Enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct login details to avoid any hiccups along the way. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll find various options for managing your Mailchimp account. Click on Integrations. This section is where Mailchimp stores all the connections and third-party apps you can link with your account, giving you the power to expand your marketing capabilities. You'll now be directed to your app integration page. This is your hub for connecting Mailchimp with other platforms and tools. Scroll down through the list of all the apps and software available for integration. At the top of this page, you'll notice a search bar. Type in Squarespace here. This search function helps you quickly locate the specific integration you need without manually browsing through hundreds of options. Once you search, you'll see two options appear. One is the standard Squarespace integration, and the other is Squarespace Commerce. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Commerce integration as it's designed specifically for syncing your e-commerce data. Click on Squarespace Commerce to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to the App Overview page. This page provides detailed information about the integration. Scroll down and take a moment to read through the app features and benefits of connecting Squarespace with Mailchimp. Understanding what this integration offers will help you maximize its potential for your business. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about moving forward, click on Connect. You will now be presented with 3 simple steps to authorize and integrate your Squarespace account with your Mailchimp account. These steps are straightforward and designed to make the process as seamless as possible. Click Continue to move forward with the authorization process. All you have to do now is log into your Squarespace account and authorize the integration. That's it. The connection will be established and your Squarespace data will begin syncing with Mailchimp automatically. You've now successfully connected Mailchimp to Squarespace, allowing you to leverage your e-commerce data for more targeted and effective email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.